Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Custom in a black exterior. This one is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these jet black interior seats with our power seat controls here on our driver's side. Of course, up top we do have our infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll wheel, climate controls. You also get a USB-C and USB charge port, AC outlet, trailer brake controls, and our push-to-start ignition. In the middle console here, we get 2 cup holders, additional storage, as well as this can be turned into a third seat when needed. Making our way along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, as well as our adjustable side mirror controls. You also do get power locks here by our handles. We have our drive modes and our automatic high beam controls. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find our forward collision alert and our cruise control settings. And if we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. In the back, you still get these jet black interior cloth seats. Plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. You also do get a USB-C and USB charge port, 2 vents, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. You can also lift these seats up to maximize the storage here at the bottom. Checking out the exterior here on the Custom, of course we have our blacked out Chevrolet writing in the middle of our black grille. We also do have our black tow hooks along the bottom. Moving along to the side here, you'll find our Goodyear Wrangler tires. We have our side mirrors here, as well as our handles, tint in the rear window. If we make our way all the way to the back, you'll find our corner assist steps on each side. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Custom in a black exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help any questions you may have.